Hey guys, just wanted to give you a quick run video of my Hoover 575. Actually, I got this on consignment from a local antique store. I was supposed to fix it for them, and I'd get half of whatever it sells for. But I was also given the option to buy it, and that's what I've decided to do. I've wired up a new cord to it until I get the money to get the old cloth wrapped wire. So for now, this will do. Eventually, I want to do a full restore. Without further ado, let's get started. Come on, there we go. Another old Hoover I'm redoing. I know it's not going to get everything, so I don't want to sit it down as low as it will go, because the belt on here is kind of stretched, and they don't make the belts for this machine anymore, and I really don't have any good stretched out convertible belts to put on it. Sorry about that. But the belt here's in decent shape. The brushes on it are in really good shape. Just needs a little bit of a cleanup. And the bag that's in it is actually the same thing that was in it. These are old, genuine Hoover bags. I have a whole bunch of. So, free to go original with it. Basically, it's an old Type C. But, just wanted to give you guys that quick run video. Thanks for watching.